Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and placing text immediately on its own layer so edits stay non-destructive. Choose the Type tool and pick a readable font, size, and color that contrasts with the background. Once done, set the document resolution and color mode appropriate for the final use, screen, or print so your text renders sharply. Make sure the image layer is locked or duplicated and the text layer is selected. This lets you position and style without altering the base pixels. You now position and style the text to integrate it with the image. Use the Move tool and free transform to align, holding Shift for proportion, or use numeric W/H for exact sizing. To improve legibility, add layer styles, drop shadow for depth, stroke for contrast, outer glow to separate text from busy areas. Once satisfied, convert to a smart object before filters so edits remain reversible. Make sure to keep a duplicate of the original live text layer for later adjustments. You finish by exporting the image and confirming quality. Use Export As or Save for Web with sRGB for online use, and choose PNG or JPEG depending on transparency needs. If text appears fuzzy, first check document DPI and anti-aliasing settings, and verify you didn't rasterize at a smaller size. Undo to the live text if needed. Finally, save a layered PSD with editable text for future edits. Then create a flattened copy only for final delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.